How to update Google Street View app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to update Google Street View app easily and fast. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page as you can see. Now let's say that you have an old version and you don't have many options and you want to update the app. Or what you have to do is go out and go to Play Store, then go to the search bar and search for Street View like this, and click on the app, and right here on this green option it says open right now, but if you have an old version you will see update from here. Click on the update here on this green option and your app will be updated easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.